Hi, I'm Todd Bates. I'm the Director of Enterprise Marketing for Asia Pacific and Japan for Red Hat. Red Hat is the world's leading provider of open source software solutions. We provide a range of hybrid cloud infrastructure, cloud-native application development, and automation solutions that really help our customers to unlock the power of open source and overcome their biggest IT challenges. I look after enterprise marketing for Red Hat across Asia Pacific and Japan. That includes our vertical marketing programs, demand generation, and also our account-based marketing program, which spans 50 companies across 7 different countries. As a B2B marketer, there are many challenges we face. Often we need to make decisions around where to place our investments, how our people can be best utilized, how our budgets can be maximized. And so by working with Forrester, we're able to use them as a sounding board to really judge ourselves and basically benchmark ourselves against top performers in the market to understand what we're doing and how that relates to the best out there. One of the great things about Forrester is that they have strong coverage here in Asia Pacific, and we all know that Asia Pacific is very unique in terms of diverse cultures, diverse markets, diverse ways of doing things. And it's great to have not just Forrester's global analysts, but also analysts here that are rooted in the region to give us that blend of best of breed globally, but also what matters within the Asia Pacific region as well. Quite often we get caught up within the same 4 walls of our organization. And by leaning on Forrester, we can really get a window into what's happening from both the B2B marketing leadership perspective, but we can also get a better understanding in terms of our buyers, which in our case is the IT C-suite, CIOs, and so on. So we can really understand what's making them tick, and we can respond with our marketing campaigns accordingly. Overall, we've grown our ABM program year on year in terms of the number of customers, and with that comes growth in terms of our pipeline metrics. It's really about maximizing the return on our marketing investment, and that comes in both the qualitative form, which relates back to revenue and how we drive pipeline and influence real dollar outcomes for the business. But there's also a range of qualitative factors, such as how we increase the reputation of the Red Hat brand and how we also improve relationships with our customers through more innovative marketing approaches. Forrester's got great research reports, great webinars, great content, but it's really the interactions with the analysts where we derive the most value. And so I would encourage anyone that's thinking about working with Forrester to really speak with the team and speak with other analysts, and you'll soon get an idea whether it's right for you.